Dashes. Hyphens are used to join, dashes are used to separate. Two types of dashes are used. An N dash is the width of a capital letter N. An N dash forces the reader to pause. I packed my bag, books, pencil bag and lunchbox. An N dash separates the main idea from the afterthought. I waited and no one arrived, or that's what I thought. An N dash can be used to add information. We strive for success. No less than 7 distinctions. An N dash creates expectation or disappointment, a climax or an anticlimax. I added the chemical to the mixture and stood back. A spectacular reaction. An M dash is the width of an M. An M dash is mostly used between numbers or dates. The shop will be closed between December the 1st to December the 31st. Carol lived in Australia 2016 to 2020. An M dash is used to indicate that a word is left out. She lived in the small town until she returned to South Africa. A double M dash is used to break a sentence which has added non-essential information, but not losing the continuity. I bought fruits, strawberries, apples, pears to make a fruit salad. The new teacher, who was wearing the same glasses as the principal, introduced herself at assembly. Or a single M dash. Strawberries, pears and apples? I added them all to my shopping basket. The M dash is used for effect. Imagine a kitchen scene where Mother and Peter are waiting for a sibling, Carol. Carol is late. You're going to cut yourself, Peter, because of the strike. In general, handwritten use of the N and M dashes are similar.